This video will show you how to change the master OnViv password using our S-Series recorder. So here we are at the local interface. Go ahead and select the icon on the bottom left-hand corner and then select Settings. Now select Add Camera. Then Default Password. Now from this menu, you'll be able to change the master password for all different camera manufacturers. In this example, we're changing the master OnViv password. This will be very helpful so you don't have to change each camera individually. You'll just be able to set it here as the master password. Okay, just go ahead and select OK, and that is how you change the default master password using our S-Series recorder. Thank you for watching.